I'm here again. I need to buy some spare pipe accessories that I used yesterday. I got all that. And also I found something. The shower water stop. I think that should work. But I can't take it now, it's too long. Yeah, that should work. Okay, let's go buy some tinola for the girls. 350 peso for that. Let's go. This is where I buy the tinola for the girls. Okay, let's go back to this business. Okay, for the toilet, I need to make sure I can clean it if things get stuck or what have you, clogged up. So I want to have this one here, because there's a junction there with the other toilet of the CR. That's a potential for clogging. And another one here, somewhere here, which can be also another potential area for clogging. Maybe not, but that should help if things are blocked somewhere down below. We can always, I mean, I got a pressure gun, so I need to find a cover for those things. I didn't buy yet, but that's okay. So let's start installing the pipe without solvent, make sure everything fits okay. So we're going to start from here. I barely do anything. Sweating so much. So hot, so muggy. Tell you what, the bathroom is very cool. It's cold here. And the floor is cold, I can feel. Before it was really hot, so I'm trying to sort out how can I make my house cooler. I mean, the difference here is that we have we cemented the wall and we got some tiles, but I don't know if the tiles really can work as insulation. I'm not sure. Sorry, I came to get my extension here from the bathroom because it's so freaking hot. I gotta put a fan up there in the carport and work from there. Jem is doing her own sign. Hot, yeah, no. See, I wasn't lying to you before. It's super hot, super hot. Oh, let's do this. Got a bit of a problem because this is not. It's got some oddity, some stuff there. That's why we can't fit anything in there. I try this with a new pipe, something I can't fit it in, and they're both defective. It's so some brand, and they're both the same. They got rough area, things like that. So they're both the same problem. And some area you can see through with the sun, almost. So I don't know. This brand is United. Stay away from it, maybe. I show a difference. With this thing I'm struggling. I can't put it in. I can't put it in. Yeah, I won't progress much today with this thing. Whew. Anyway, let's make it work. No choice. Hey, Jem doing some work. And Bella messing around. That's a glue stick. Yes, like a thief with it. Go give to mommy. Give to mommy. You're a good girl. I know. Give to mommy. Okay, I found a trick to go really quick here. With a knife, just press the blade and just go like this. See? Yeah, it's much faster, so I keep going this way. She can feel it. Fried, yeah, okay, good.
Of course you need to fry
Pasta. French fries for Bella?
it. Yeah, she told me fry.
She told you, huh? Okay. Oh, we'll see when it's all finished. With this heat, I got 3 baths a day at least. I just got another one before lunch. It took me almost an hour and a half to fix one of those pipe accessory. Anyway, let's cool down now under the fan. What are you eating, my love? Chicken nuggets? You like? Yeah, oh, yum. Oh no, she said something about the cartoon. I know you like cooking. You're gonna be cookie after, I know that. As good as mama, eh? Yeah? Okay. Oh yeah, hot? Hot, baby? Oh yeah, careful. A little bit hot, my love. Yeah, leave it for a little while. Yeah, you can blow. But daddy's gonna eat some, huh? Is that okay? Thank you. Yum. Look at this cutie thing. She organized her chips in a plate now. But you can't eat this. Daddy's gonna take this off. This is bad. Okay, dinner is ready.
What dinner?
Oh, sorry, lunch is ready. Chicken fillet and pasta salad with a nice, cool, chill wine, which that's all we need. It's too hot for anything else. That's it. Bella likes chicken fillet.
She never try. She's not hungry.
Ah, the appropriate sauce. The seafood sauce. Very nice.
It's like you are in chicken ati-atihan.
And Jem made the sauce as well. Okay.
Here.
No, here. Put in
Show
your
mommy.
finger. Put in your
What's
finger.
This one.
No.
Mouse. This one.
Wow.
Huh? Ada?
Pig.
Pig.
Wow.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, you sing. Baby
the shapes.
finger.
On the ice cream. Wow. Yay!
Oh. But enough for today, guys. I'm really tired. So hot, so hot. You say it needs to come down a bit, about 2 inches. Okay, so we're gonna cut a little bit more concrete on the drain there. That should be fine. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. I deserve a cold beer now. Oof.